Oh, hey there. So we are back with Charts and Graphs plugin. So now I'm going to show you how to use Boxplot chart. So after installing the plugin, if you see to the left side, there is this elements here. So search for Boxplot. You can see that here and just add it in the design. So this is the Boxplot element. So first is the title. You can give the title of the chart. It will be on top of the chart. Then comes the x-axis settings. You can give the title of the x-axis. Then you can ignore the minimum and maximum value of x. Then comes the x labels. So this is the main part. So there will be three labels in the x-axis, and with that the data will be aligned along the x-axis. So there are three data sets. Then comes the x-axis ticks. So you can check this and there will be ticks on both three of these labels in the x-axis. Then comes the y-axis settings where you have to give the title again. Then comes the series of data. So as you can see, there are three sets of data. Then it is separated by a semicolon, and then again three sets of data, then semicolon, and again three sets of data, and then it is separated by two colons. Then again it is repeated in three sets of data, then separated by the semicolon. So what this means is, if you go to the x-axis labels, first is January. So for January, this set of data will be used, which is 10, 20, 30. Then for February, it will be 20, 30, 40. And then for March, it will be 30, 40, 50. And then comes the second series, which is again 10, 20, 30. And this is will be again used for January. Then the February data, then the March data. So if you can see here, there are two sets or two series of data, and these are all divided in January, February, March labels. So the result of that is here, which is series name. So there are three series, and with respect to that, the data is given. So series 1 will be January, series 2 will be February, and series 3 will be March. Then you can give the minimum and maximum values of y-axis, and then the y-axis ticks. Then you can make the box chart horizontal as well, and you can give the border width of the box, which will be visible in the chart. And this is the main part, which is color settings, where you can give color to the chart or the box. So if you see this here, there are two colors. So if you come to the series data, you can see there are two sets of data. So it is separated by two colons, and there are two data sets here. So based on that, we have given colors here. Then the grid fill color. This color, which is transparent, will be on the chart background. Then the x-axis and y-axis color. Then the border of the grids in the background, which is gray. So before coming to the advanced customization, we'll go to the chart. So here is the chart. As you can see, there are three sets of data, which is January, February, March. So, and there are two series. First series is black, second series is blue, as you have given the colors. And in the series data, as you remember, we have separated the two series by two colons. Based on that, it is shown here. So if we click on series 1, so this is the series 2 data. If we click on series 1 again, you can see they are all mixed up to create a box with four boxes in that. And if you hover on it, you can see minimum is 10, then median is 20, and maximum is 30, as we have given here, 10, 20, 30. And if you hover on this, it is 20, 30, 40, and this is 30, 40, 50, as we have given in the data. And you can see there are middle numbers as well, which are highlighted in color, which is 15 to 25 in the first data. So if we come to the advanced customization, you can customize the chart by giving some opacity on the chart. Then you can increase the height and width of the chart. Then the data labels. So if you click on data labels, you can see that here 30, 30, 40, 40, and 50, 50. That's the maximum value. Then comes the toolbar. Then comes the animation. You can give animation to the chart, and you can give the speed, animation speed. Then the dynamic step size. So you can see that we have given minimum and maximum y values here, 0 to 60. So in order to give a dynamic size of the y-axis steps, which is 0 to 60, we have given the step size is 5. So as you can see here, it is the multiple of 5 up to 60. That's the step size. Then the legend settings. We have given the legend on the bottom here. This is a series 1 and 2. So there are more options, top, left, right as well. And you can align them dynamically as well. So yeah, this is how you use box plot chart using charts and graphs plugin. Thank you.